In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder layers in Figma. When you're designing, the stacking order of layers determines what appears in front and what sits behind. If something is hidden or getting covered, it's usually just a matter of moving that layer up or down in the order. Let's walk through the simplest, most reliable ways to do that so your canvas stays clear and your file stays organized. First, use the Layers panel on the left. Make sure you can see your layers list, then click the layer you want to move, click and hold, and start dragging. Dragging upward brings the layer forward, while dragging downward sends it backward. As you move, look for the blue highlight line that shows exactly where the layer will land. Release the mouse when it's in the right spot. Remember, layers at the top of the list are visually on top of the canvas, and layers at the bottom are stacked behind. If you're dragging near frames or groups, be mindful of the indent levels so you don't accidentally drop the layer inside a different container unless that's what you intend. You can also reorder with keyboard shortcuts, which is faster once you get used to it. Select the layer on the canvas or in the panel, then use these commands. To bring a layer forward by one level on Mac, press Command plus Twaj. To send it straight to the very front on Mac, press Command plus Option Tab plus Wog. On Windows, use Ctrl plus to move up one level and Ctrl plus Shift plus to send it to the front. To move backward, on Mac press Command plus to go down one level or Command plus Option plus to send it to the very back. On Windows, press Ctrl plus to move down one level or Ctrl plus Shift plus to send it to the back. Tap these repeatedly to step through the stack exactly where you want it. A few helpful tips can make this even smoother. If your layer is inside an auto layout frame, you can often reorder elements just by selecting one and pressing the up or down arrow keys. This changes the order inside the frame and reflects in the Layers panel too. In the Layers panel itself, the drag area can be a bit small. Try hovering near the left edge or over the dedicated drag handle to get a clean grab. And if your file has gotten messy, consider a plugin that can sort layers by visual position or alphabetically to quickly tidy a complex tree. That's it. Drag in the panel for precision, use shortcuts for speed, and lean on these tips to keep your designs neatly stacked and easy to manage.